Alright, what do y'all think about one of those old rainbow flying wings strapped to the top of a foam fuselage I built about 4 years ago and never flew, with a 4500 kV motor 5-blade ductive fan strapped to the top? I think for these windier days, I might actually be able to fly something like this. It ought to be interesting. Hey, give it a like if you think I should do it. I'm gonna do it anyway. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do it. I think it'll be fun. That motor screams. Alright. It's gonna be hard to do this and hold the front of the plane. That's got some power. I think that'll be more than enough. Wow. With the 3-cell in the front. I'll clean up my wires and stuff, but that's gonna have plenty of power. Alright, well, I put the latch on the hatch there and make a nose for the front. But everything works. Oh, works really well. And we got flaps. And it comes out, the balance is pretty decent. I think it's gonna fly. It will for a minute at least. Alright, well, I put a gear on it just because if you've seen where I fly, it'll probably last longer with the gear. But we may hand launch it and take the gear off, so it's an option, just unscrews. But the overall weight without a battery, about 1 pound 3 ounces or so. It ain't pretty, but I think it's gonna be fun to fly. At 1 pound 3 ounces, the 60mm fan. Alright, well, I'm going to do an amp check on our fan here. The radio's about booted up. As soon as the radio starts up. Alright, radio's booted up. Let's see what this is. 30 amp ESC on here. Alright. Let's see what happens. I think we'll be good with the 30 amp ESC at 18 amps full throttle. It's a little warm. I might put a 40 in there. But thing's on fire. Well, not literally, but... Alright, well, I think we'll go with the 40. Well, it's not the best brand in the world, but I think I'm going to go ahead and put the Skywalker 40 amp in there. This one has thrust reversing, which I've never used before. Oops, sorry. Thrust reversing plug on it, so you can reverse the motor. That would be interesting. But I think I'll go ahead and put that in there. That way we have a little bit more protection. Because that one that's in there is smoking hot. Wow, that's really hot. Definitely going to put some holes in the fuselage for some airflow too.